I have my manufacturing industry in Raipur. So when I decided to put solar, first I went with a reputed company, but the experience was very bad, right from the execution to the after sales service. Thus I shifted to KSL. After putting through KSL, the first phase was executed in record time, and I had a very pleasant experience. And then I gave them a repeat order, which was also done extremely as per the time schedule, and I've had a very good experience. I have referred KSL to quite a few other friends and business associates who were looking to set up solar plants, and all of them also were extremely satisfied. I think the main USP is that the management itself is involved in the day-to-day decisions, and if there is any problem whatsoever and I have approached them, it has been addressed properly. Thank you.